Things we need for our projects: Arduino UNO board. It is an open source of microchip 80 Mega 328P microcontroller. A breadboard. It is a thin plastic board for all electronics components. Jump wires. For connecting, we need two jump wires. A jump wire is an electrical wire with a connector or pin at each end. A LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. And a resistor. It is used for reduce current flow, adjust signal levels to divide voltage, etc. So those things we need for our Arduino projects. Let's set up our hardware. This is common ground pin on Arduino board. Now, with a jump wire, connect one in to the ground pin on the Arduino board and one pin connect to negative rail on the breadboard. Now insert the LED on breadboard. Remember that the longer leg of LED connect with positive hole and shorter leg connect with negative hole. Then insert a resistor. Its one leg connect with LED's positive leg and one leg connect randomly. Again, take a jump wire and connect one in 13 pin on the Arduino board and one pin connect with the resistor's leg on the breadboard. The circuit is now ready. Power on the Arduino board by connecting to your computer using the USB cable. Before we start our program, make sure to download the Arduino IDE. Then go to your Arduino software and open it. First delete these writing things and go to the tools and make sure the board selected on Arduino UNO, because you can see there are lots of boards. You can also see the port selected on COM3 is automatically selected. Now let's start our program writing for LED blinking. There are 3 steps for write a Arduino program. Our program writing is finished. Now verify it. There is no problem. Now upload our program on Arduino board. After uploading our program on Arduino board, let's see does it works or not. There we attach a battery with Arduino board. You can see the LED start blinking. That means our Arduino program is working. So there are our Arduino LED blinking project is ready. That's why this program is done. It is a simple project. You can try it home.